Good day, everyone. My topic for today is about classifications of art according to medium. First is painting and related arts. Painting is an expressive art from where pigments are applied to surface and artists choose medium mediums based on the message and visually effect they want to achieve. Dito po is makikita natin na kung ano yung nasa vision ng isang artist is yun yung nilalagay niya medium. In the word of medium, makikita natin na kumbaga kung ano yung gusto nilang ipakita sa kanilang obra or paintings. The second is encaustic. Use heated beeswax mixed with pigments, producing glossy, durable finish. It won't use an accent Egyptian mummy portrait, allowing for vivid colors and life-like details. Is yung ginagamit nilang materials dito sa paggawa ng encaustic is mix ng pigments, mga glossy liquids para sa magandang kinalabasan ng kanilang obra maestra, at ito ay ginagamit na nung panahunan pa ng ancient Egyptian sa paggawa ng mga figures ng mga mummies portraits. Third is tempera. Tempera mix pigment with egg yolks, dries quickly and give a matte look. Dito naman is yung gamit yung mga egg yolk is mas madali daw mapatuyo and nagbibigay ng natural na figures para sa tumitingin, at ito ay ginamit na ni Leonardo da Vinci para sa mga smooth and tonal transition.
Fresco. Fresco involves applying pigments to wet plaster, making the artwork part of the wall. So, kagaya itong nakikita natin, no? Meron ditong mga painting sa gilid, yung sa wall niya. Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel ceiling is a famous example requiring quick, skilled execution. So, ito yung sa ceiling. So, makikita nyo naman dyan sa picture na may mga painting sa ceiling. So, next is the watercolor. Watercolor is pigments with a water-soluble binder and creates translucent, soft effects. Turner used watercolor for luminous atmospheric scenes like rain, steam, and speed. So, ito watercolor, familiar naman kayo dito, diba? Kasi, nung high school kayo, diba, gumagamit naman kayo ng watercolor na pang paint. Nire-require yan sa, sa mga subject na mapping, sa arts. Ito yung mga nire-require sa atin para mag-paint. So, next is oil paint. Oil paint uses pigments mixed with linseed oil. Dries slowly and blends easily. So, syempre, mahina siya dry dahil siya ay oil. Kumbaga, liquid siya. Remembrance the Night Watch showcase the depth, texture, and detail achievable with this medium. So, nakikita nyo naman yung nasa picture, diba? Parang nakalat yung mga niya, kulay-kulay dahil siyempre basa nga yung tinta. So, next is acrylic. Acrylic paint is a fast-drying synthetic medium known for its versatility, allowing both thin washes and thick textures. Contemporary artists favor it for its flexibility, as seen in David Hockney's A Bigger Splash. So makita nyo naman, Yung mga corner na, di ba, ano siya, mga detailed siya kasi iba-iba yung mga brush na gagamit natin sa acrylic paint. So, ito yung example. Which uses bright colors and cleanliness to show the medium's ability to create sharp edges and expressive effects. So, that's for the last, and thank you for watching and listening.